RRTS, Regional Rapid Transit System, is a transformational urban transport project. It will empower people by providing them improved access to education, employment, healthcare and economic opportunities, and also address issues of pollution, congestion and ever-expanding urban sprawl. It aims to improve the quality of life of people by providing fast, reliable, safe, comfortable and sustainable mobility solution enabling economic development in NCR. NCRTC is constructing India's first regional rail network in its national capital region to connect regional urban centers such as Sahibabad, Ghaziabad, Meerut, Gurugram, Manesar, Dharuhera, Bawal and Panipat with national capital Delhi like never before.
RRTS is a high-speed railway system where the design speed is 180 km per hour. This kind of railway system has never been attempted in the country, neither by the Indian Railways nor by metro companies. So, due to lack of any benchmarking or common standards, it is a big challenge to implement this kind of project in a very short time frame.
Honorable Prime Minister laid the foundation stone of first RRTS corridor between Delhi Ghaziabad Meerut on 8th March 2019. Within 3 months, civil construction work was started in the true spirit of Gati se Pragati so as to meet the challenging task of commissioning 17 kilometers long priority section of the corridor from Sahibabad to Duhai by 2023. The entire 82 kilometers long Delhi Ghaziabad Meerut RRTS corridor will be operational in 2025. In the past 1 year, NCRTC has made significant progress. Almost all pre-construction activities in priority section have been completed. Project site offices have been established. State-of-the-art casting yards at Vasundhara, Ghaziabad have been set up for casting of segments with facilities such as batching plant, quality labs, safety park, labor training and healthcare. At present, the civil construction on more than 50 km of the 82 km long corridor is in progress. About 1800 foundation piles have been done, which covers around 12 km of corridor length. 50 piers have been erected and Tarini, the launching gantry, is being assembled for launching of girders to construct the superstructure of the viaduct. Besides this, bids have also been invited for civil construction for remaining portion of the corridor. All major system contracts such as signalling, track, electrical and are in advanced stages of finalization. Rolling stock contract has recently awarded under Make in India initiative of the Government of India. This all has become possible due to the clear vision, thought out strategy, committed leadership, advanced detailed planning and risk mitigation measures adopted by the NCRTC team.
I was the first employee of this corporation in July 16. In last 3 years, I have developed a team of committed experts in the having domain knowledge of public transport, having domain knowledge of railways, having domain knowledge of planning in an integrated way with other systems, and domain experts of finance and strategic planning. This has helped us in handling this complex project, which has complexities and challenges on technical front as well as on project structuring and implementation. Our focus is to create a committed team of passionate and people of high integrity. Last 1 year had been full of challenges and achievements. Such complex projects require a lot of preparatory work before implementation. If we start this preparatory work after the sanction of the project takes 1 to 2 years only in these pre-construction activities. NCRTC had been particular in planning strategically the implementation of the project by executing pre-construction activities before actual implementation. In fact, some of the pre-construction activities we started before sanction of the project. we have shifted the utilities, we have interacted with the stakeholders to clear the sites for the main contractors. This has been our strategy to give very, very clear sites with all approvals, with all drawings to our contractors. That has paid good dividends and project has taken off very fast.
NCRTC is executing a public transport project which will be used by masses. Since its inception, efforts have been made to inculcate values of customer centricity and citizen centricity among all NCRTC employees. Every team member takes decision based on this first principle. Before starting the construction work on the ground, proper planning was done to ensure that ongoing traffic is not affected and there is no inconvenience to the local residents during construction. Roads were widened on both the sides wherever necessary to ensure smooth movement of traffic at the time of construction. High electrical transmission lines, underground electric cables, telecom lines, gas pipeline, water pipeline and sewage lines have been relocated or modified which were infringing the corridor. Till now, 24 EHT lines have been shifted. Safety of public was ensured by doing construction within adequately barricaded zone with no public access at all. Traffic marshals have also been assigned for safe pedestrian crossings and smooth flow of traffic. 7 footover bridges are also being constructed at various places to facilitate safe movement of pedestrians. A 24/7 CCTV monitoring is being done to keep constant watch on construction activities. It also helps in ensuring that everyone enters the construction sites with full personal protective equipment for their safety.
RRTS project is being implemented in 4 states as a common integrated solution for seamless mobility in 4 states consisting of NCR region. It is a multi-stakeholder project which makes it very complex, but we have been getting a very good cooperation from all the state governments and officers, authorities, agencies which are working with us. That has made the implementation of project comparatively easier. Once stakeholders have understood the advantage to the public, they have come with all the support to us, and now there is a demand of extension of all the 3 corridors by the state governments in all the 3 directions.
Consistent community engagement is essential for the smooth execution of the large-scale public transit projects like RRTS. NCRTC has organized various community interaction programs along the alignment of Delhi-Ghaziabad-Meerut RRTS corridor. People are not only apprised of the ongoing developments, but are also encouraged to share their ideas and suggestions during these CIPs. Locals are duly sensitized about the construction plans, steps being taken to minimize inconvenience to the public during construction, and about various socio-economic benefits that this next generation mobility infrastructure will deliver. In this challenging infrastructure project, various new technological advancements are being implemented for the first time in the country. These technologies not only are for ensuring smooth working at construction sites, but are also helping in achieving the goal of construction with zero accidents. Some of these technologies are BIM, Building Information Modeling, VR, Virtual Reality, CDE, Common Data Environment, GIS, Geographic Information System, CORS, Continuously Operating Reference Stations. The country has been facing unprecedented challenges due to the COVID-19 pandemic. NCRTC is committed to do whatever is necessary to fight the pandemic. The construction work that had to stop during the lockdown has now resumed in accordance with the Government of India guidelines. Standard operating procedure has been developed and is being adhered to by all to maintain social distancing during construction work. In these difficult times, NCRTC has provided best possible facilities to its staff. and to construction workers such as provision of adequate number of masks, sanitizers and soaps. Time to time health checkups are being done to inculcate enough confidence among employees for doing quality work. All these efforts are being done by MCRDC to deliver the project on time within the sanctioned cost and fulfill its commitment.
We worked on the project to make it as much as commuter centric as possible. Our focus has been on making it comfortable, safe and fast for the commuters, and to see that there is ease of travelling for everybody using public transport. That is why our focus in planning is on multimodal integration.
Now is not the time to take the foot off the accelerator. We aren't setting for good or better. We are aiming for the pinnacle. All our efforts, success and hard work of the past culminates into our promising tomorrow to grow better and faster than ever before. Gati se Pragati.